15 and then one leg 15?
Yes, the one leg is gonna stay up there. We're not gonna superset this one. So we'll do our 15, we'll do your other leg 15, then we'll break.
Okay.
All right, we'll do our 2 sets, then we'll rest, and we'll move on. No superset.
Okay.
All right, ready when you're ready. All right, your number's 15. Your 1, good. Make sure you breathe out when you step, good. 3, good. 4, nice. Your 5, good. Your 1, good. Your 7, good. Come on. Your 8, good. Your 9, don't change a thing. Your 10, looking good. Your 1, nice. 2, good. Stay with it. 3, good. 2 more. Your 2, good. Last one, done. Awesome. Good job. All right, looking good.
Goodness.
All right, we'll go when you're ready. All right, then
You trying to burn my legs up before this?
before the class.
Yeah.
Class ain't till Saturday. Today Thursday.
That's not right.
Take tomorrow off, get some rest. Eat good, be ready to go.
That's not right, though.
All right, here we go. And 1, good. Number 15 looking good. Don't change a thing. Stay with it. Oh, they're burning already. You're 5. Come on. We up. Good. Don't lose it. Come on. We up. Stay with me. All right, we up. All right, we need. Come on. 7 and break. Okay, 7 and break. All right, 7 and break. You're 7. Good. All right, you're 6. Come on. I like that. Breathe out. 5. We got it. Try to land in the squat. Okay. Try to land in it. All right, you're 4. Boom. There you go. You're 3. We're gonna break. Boom. Last 2. Last 2. Good. All we need is 1. Last 1. All right. Done. Awesome. Take a rest. Good job. That's good. Set 1. You didn't even crack a sweat yet.
I'm sweating.
Way to work. We're set. Y'all had a full class last night.
It had been that packed.
I think that was the most.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good.
It had looked like that since the first day. The first day was real crowded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
You ready to start leading now?
I was there first. No. I was there first day. It was crowded. I remember. It was.
How your day going? Good?
Huh?
How's your day going? Good?
Yeah. So far.
All right, that is number 1. You gotta get 1 more, okay?
Right now?
Ready when you're ready. All right, last one.
You gonna let me do something else first?
Yeah, we're gonna do that one, then we're done with it. All right, then we come back and move on to the next thing.
You want me to go right into it?
When you ready. For the last time. You got it. All right, then we're gonna break. Yeah, come on. Come on, go get this work. You said.
That's not right though.
You know how we normally do? Talk to me. How we normally do it? Right? All right, let's knock this one out. Last one. All right, this is it. All right, breathe out on your way up. Last set. Good. There we go. Ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it. Come on with it. Come on with it. Easy work. Come on with it. You're 5 and done. Way to work it. You're 4. Good. You're 3. Good. You're 2. You're 1. All right. Done. Good job. Way to work. Way to work. I knew you had it. This is it. We'll take a long break after this one, okay? A long break. All right, long break. Way to work. All right, this is it. All right, you breathe out. And 1, go. Last set. Last set. Stay with it. Easy work. Don't lose it. 6 to go. 6 to go. Way to work. Got it. Got it. 6. Good. 5. Good. All right. 4. 3 and done. 3 and done. 2 and done. 1 and done. Done. Awesome. Done.
Goodness.
All right, we'll take a break. We move on. What's that?
9.
All right, you're 10. You're 1, careful. 2, 3, 4. Done. Good job. All right, take your time. You're number 15. All right, 1, 5. All right. All right, be careful. 1, 5. All right. 1, good. 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Awesome. All right, so let that fall. Yeah. That's it. All right, be careful. Catch your breath. Go when you're ready. Be careful.
You want me to do it with dumbbell?
I could. We're gonna try it. If we can't, I'll get those. All right. And number 12. All right. That's good. Got your leg in the back. Keep your back flat. Keep your core tight. And number 12. We're good. You're 1. You gotta bring that leg up, okay? 2. Good. We're good. Take your time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Watch that back. In and out. That's good. Not so low. Take 2 inches off of it, okay? Not so low. That's good right there. Good. All right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay tight. In and out. Good. 5. In and out. Good. In and out. Good. In and out. Good. In and out. Good. Last one. You got it. Done. Awesome. Catch your breath. Go when you're ready. Then number 12. Way to work. 12. Good. Keep the core in. Breathe in, breathe out. All right. In and out. Careful. Careful. In and out. In and out. In and out. Let's get 5. In and out. Good. 4. Way to push it. All right. You're 3. Looking great. You're 2. Come on. You're 1. Done. Awesome. Way to work. Take a rest. Good set. Way to work. Looks good. All right. Good set. All right. Number 1 down. Looking good. Take your breather. We gotta get 1 more, okay?
Same thing?
Same thing. We'll still go with the bar, no weight. This will be your last set. We'll break. We'll move on. All right. Looking good. What you doing for Labor Day coming up?
Nothing.
Just chilling?
Yep.
Plotting and planning?
Yep.
Okay. Plotting and planning.
Scheming and breathing.
That's right. You're not gonna squeeze in no more trips for you open your spot? You're not gonna get one last one in for you because you're gonna be sitting, you're gonna be grinding for a minute.
No, I'm still busy.
All right.
But it'll be all right.
You don't do road trips, do you?
Yeah.
You gotta get on that plane every time you go somewhere. When last time you been on a road trip?
When I went to Orlando.
That don't even really count. Because you go there often.
Not really.
Well, I just gotta give you credit for that one. All right, ready for this last
Road trip is more than
what? 4 hours?
More than 5 hours, 6 hours.
Yeah, that's good. That's a decent one.
Well, Orlando is 6.5.
That's good.
6.5, 7.
You drove the whole time?
No.
Oh. All right, you're looking good. We gotta get past 1 more set. Only 1. This is it. You on cruise? On cruise.
Y'all was packed last night.
Y'all
stay packed like that?
Maybe twice
at night.
Maybe twice a week.
Cause I'm gonna be here at night.
Yeah. It was a little crowded last night.
Yeah. was fun. Definitely a stress reliever.
Is it?
The class.
Dancing it off, huh?
Oh my
Not
God.
bad.
Such a stress reliever.
Hey, I seen some of your videos, boy, you be into that shit, boy. You be killing that shit.
I said, let's just be relieving stress.
I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. Y'all two always up front too. First two.
That's because she would be like, right here, right here, right here.
How'd she do last night, old girl, right there on the screen? How'd she do?
She did good.
She all right?
I think she left.
Yeah, she left. She had already trained for an hour.
Yeah.
All right, 15 piece. Last time we're gonna change up, okay? All right, 1-5. You good? All right, last one. You're 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, done. Awesome. All right, last one, 15. Easy work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set. All right, way to work. All right, done with that for now. Be careful on this one, okay? Catch your breath first. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work. All right, last one, we move on. Easy work. All right, easy work. Easy work, stay tight. Easy work. Easy work. You're 1, good. You're 2, good. Come on. You're 3, good. Stay tight. You're 4, in and out. You're 5, stay with it. And out, you're 6, you're good. You're all right, you're all right. And now you're 7, come on. And now you're 8, good. And now you're 9, come on. Give me 1, done. Awesome. Easy work, easy work, easy work. You're 1. You're 2, come on. Stay tight, watch your back. You're 3, good. Don't lose it. You're 4, good. All right, you're 5, come on. You're 1, come on. You're 2, good. You're 3, come on. Double we break. You're 4. Last one. All right, you're set. Good work. Take a rest. Yep. All right, your number's gonna be 20. Breathe out when you pull. Good. Good. Try to come to your butt as far as you can, okay? Good. Breathe out 8. Breathe out 9. When you're done, you're gonna stay up, okay? All right, you're 10. You're 9. You're 8. You're 7. You're 6. You're 5. You're good. You're 4. You're 3. You're 2. Stay up. You know, up and down for your thrust. Just like that. All the way up.
Okay, wait a minute.
All right. Yeah, it's burning.
Wait a minute. I'm trying to figure out how you want me to.
Just keep your knees bent.
Okay.
All right. With them bent, just raise, look, not so much. Straighten them out a little bit. Right there's good. Straight up and down. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
Oh, shit.
I know it burns. Take your rest.
Okay.
You can stay there. We gotta get one more, okay?
Okay.
Take your rest. All right. We do one more. We move on. Did you get a burn on that one?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. One more. We walk. Looking good. Only one. Only one. Only one. Only one. All right. Let me know when you're ready. Only one. Only one. I'll get you in. All right. Ready to go? You got it? All right, the number's 20. The number's 20. All right, the number's 20. The number's 20. The number's 20. The number's 20. All right, ready when you're ready? All right, now count. 20. All right, you're 1, 2,
3,
4, 5. 6. Come on. 9. Come on. 10, come on. 1, 2, come on. 8, 4, come on. 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, come on. 9, try to go for it. Straight up, we up. 1, 2, good. 3, that's it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We rest.
Ah, shoot.
Good job. Take your breather. All right, you got this. We've been here before. All right, we're good. Foot in. All right. Go to your knee in first. Try to alternate between the two. All right. Core tight.
Knee in and one.
And then swing them up with your legs straight. So one in, knee in, take them back out, go up straight in a V.
With my butt up,
Yep.
basically.
You got it. All right, 1 and 1 to 10. Let's go for it. Core tight, 1, 1. Good. That's it. Slow down a little bit. 2, and now we up. 2, perfect. Breathe out, 3, breathe out, 3, nice. 4, good. 4, perfect. 5, come on. 5, last 5, we rest. 1, good. 1, good form. Come on. 2, good. 2, come on. That's your 8. Your 3, come on. Your 3, good. Your 4, come on. Your 4, last one. Your 5, come on. Done. Awesome. Good job. Way to work. Way to work. You staying in? I gotta get one more set. You done? No, you don't have it?
I'm not staying.
Staying in? You gonna take your break? All right, let's break.